Yeah, hi all. Good morning and good evening based on the location where you are. It's nice and great to see you after a long time. So today I am going to discuss about how we can identify the trading setups or the stocks which we can trade into. Okay, so basic rule that we will use, like how to identify the bullish pattern. Okay, so as you know, if let's say assume market is dropping, coming down, then coming down, one of the scenario, okay, you all know that, right? And this is the today's candle, let's assume. I want to place it inside it. Hopefully it will succeed. If not, let me expand it. Don't know what, yeah. So that is something it was happening previously, but didn't happen now. Give me a minute and we'll proceed then. Okay, so now you can understand market was dropping and suddenly we have seen such type of candle. And next candle, if it is closes about the previous high and even the open is previous low or previous open, so it is considered to be trend reversal. So trend reversal, let's see point number one. This is like uh, opening and open is higher than previous low. Okay, so that is point number one. Point number two is close above the previous high. Okay, so open is above the previous low and today's low today's low is higher than yesterday's previous. Okay, I hope you are able to see this and we will continue from here. Okay, so if you could see these three conditions are meeting. Okay, today's low is higher than the previous candle low. Today's high. So this is where you can see today's high is higher. Closing the candle is higher than the previous candle high. Candle close is higher than the previous candle high. Today's low is higher than the previous candle low. So in this case, we can consider this as a reversal signal. In this case, we can consider this as a reversal signal, and this can give us a good momentum. Okay, there is high probability that this can give us a good momentum. For an example, let's see, I have just now opened a Markham Sun Pharma, but we'll see a couple of examples. Let's see, here market was going down. This is rising star. Okay, but the first candle reversal came here. The low is above previous low and high has closed above the previous close is above the previous high, and this give a reversal confirmation, and from here onwards market is going high. We'll see such example. Now out of 7,000, around 7,000 stocks, identifying the correct stock is a bit difficult, but we can create a filter based on this and then we can go through this. So already I have created a filter. Let me share. I have created a filter for this. It's not here, open here. Okay, it's here, it was here. So I have created a filter for this. It has parameter set, as we said, daily close is greater than 1 day echo high, or daily open is greater than 1 day echo low. Daily high is greater than 1 day high, and daily low is greater than or equal to 1 day low. And RSI is greater than 1 week RSI. So I'm looking for our RSI also increasing. Okay, in that sense, these are the future stocks that are coming. Okay, anyway, we are want to know about the cash stocks, but cash, inside cash also will select the stock which market cap is greater than at least 350 or more crores. Because what happens if market cap is less than 100 or 200, they do not follow technical charts. Not necessarily they will follow the technical charts. Okay, so we will go through some of the examples, or if possible time permits, we can go through multiple examples. But the stocks that we can go through 10%. Let's understand this KPI green. So it's a clean breakout. This is on weekly. This is on daily. So the first was here and second is here. So it is listed and it is now, it will bring some momentum. How to identify targets, that we will see next video session. Today, our agenda is to identify the stock with short stop loss and high momentum. Yeah, the stock is good, but stop loss is high. So we look for more. So basically, if there is like 5%, 6% move in a day, then identifying the stop loss is little difficult, right? Satisfying the criteria, but stop loss is high. So we have to look for the stocks where relatively moment is okay and stop loss is like 2 to 5% or less than that. So Arrow Pharma continuously growing uptrend. Okay, let's start some stocks over here, like 2% in a day. Hala Cargo Logistic. Okay, you can see here that candle is closed positively, but there are two immediate resistance. This is the supply region 270 to 280, and the next is 292. So for me, this is not that way gonna bring the momentum because it is close to its resistance level. So I will skip this. Then we'll go to next Mangalore Chemical. Mangalore Chemical is good, but immediate a weekly chart 130 is the immediate resistance, and some stop loss is as 99. So it is kind of 1:1. So that will not very good for me. But if you want, you can trade this. Policy Bazaar. Let's see Policy Bazaar. Policy Bazaar looks good on weekly, daily. Yes, looks promising. 746, it's a breakout, and now it is likely to pick the momentum. Next good support is around 900 level. Okay, as it is also trend line breakout. Weekly you will see clearly. Okay, so this is a trend line breakout. Along with that, Policy Bazaar. So let's list down these stocks and then we'll see like let's see, Bazaar is one. Yeah, we'll identify out of that which is the best one. Then we have New Land Laboratories. Wow, but it has given a fantastic move in this week. Who were able to capture this on Monday? They got more than 10% return within a week time. Rolex rings. Going through the consolidation, it's good, but it's high and going through a consolidation phase. Daily, it passes our filter criteria and looks to be a positive momentum. We'll wait. Nippo battery. Wow, one-sided move. No stop. Not sure why it is going such a high momentum. It's a risky for me because the way it is growing, it's a little risk. Means suddenly going up, that means suddenly going down is also possible. And if we could capture the moves like this, it has been waited for a couple of days and then started. So we need to wait for such moves. KLI take also right now going every day upper circuit. So this is also stock may be good, but the way it is behaving is not good for me because the way they do upper circuit, there is also probability that the down circuit can happen at some point of time. Okay, so this is Raj Rayon Industries 31. Pattern wise, it's good, but yeah, at least it will reach to this level, that is 30-35 level, and then it can go up to 41. So we check the gaps. No single one-sided move from 20 to 83 non-stop. Diamond Power Infra. Yes, not sure why such a huge momentum. Don't want to participate in this, but someone who has enough money and they want to take risk, they can, because like 5 times in 3 months, or not 2 months. Sriram Multi. This is also going good. Not convinced by the chart behavior, but it is going good. Hindustan Zinc. Nice pattern, right? If you know that double bottom, it has clearly identified the double bottom and it started going. Next is 3110. Looks positive, but yeah, it has some resistance around 330 around. Around 330 it has a resistance. So till that time it is good. We check ASMS. Comics India. On Saturday started from 9, now it has reached to 18. Books Choice International Limited. Yeah, even though the candle is showing negative, but it satisfies the criteria for bullish momentum, and that's where it is listed here. This is also going great. Federal Bank. Nice. Back. Yeah, stop loss. We can keep it here below this candle or this candle. So this is stop loss wise looks good. Okay, so we'll check. We'll come back again. Right, relax. So we keep it hanging. In India. It's near to its consolidation. Will wait SFL. Wow, good rejection, but it has near resistance or supply levels coming. So we'll wait. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Those who could have understand and catch this moment like double bottom, they could have made a good money here. And still this pattern is so good actually. I love this pattern, like it is creating a triangular type of shape. Most likely it is going to break from the upside. Already 3 touches. Great. When you supply, so DMart side, we have very good pattern as a triangular pattern coming up. If it is breaks, so that will give us a good move. So we'll keep an eye on DMart. We'll add it to our watch list. Thanks. Then Hipa Hipa Colorats Limited. Yeah, slowly and steadily it is making a progress now. First level resistance has been broken and it is continuing with second. Great. A very good chart. You can see that 200. So this is 200 DMA. So there, as you all know, like if candle touches at 200, moving average and shows a rejections, this is a good sign that it is gonna pick up the positive move. So in that sense, this looks to be promising and it is likely to go up to 560. Only with respect to stop loss, currently we don't have a close stop loss here. If you want to trade on hourly or so, we can do that. Okay. So if you want to trade on hourly basis, that is one of the possibility. But daily wise, stop loss is high. Okay. So Bharatwar, let's see daily. Yeah, close to previous high. Good. Weekly higher high catching up, higher high. Awesome. Bharat wire we will have to check and then take a chance. Yeah, we'll wait for some time. Yeah. Arihant superstructures. I would like to know your opinion. You can comment in the chat that how you feel about the charts. Is our filter good to consider, or you have some other opinion? Sonata software. Single-sided consistent move stop loss is very big. For now, I will skip, but if someone could have been traded with the 50 as a support, then if they could have started from here, so only with moving average, you could have been 550 to 3 times. Let's continue. Great. 20 microns. Let's see. Again, there are higher circuits. See again on weekly, it is close to 200 EMA and gives a rejection. Very great sign. So if someone has bought at 66, now it is 60. So almost it is close to 3 times. Here also, if 200 EMA touch and go. Very good momentum. Jubilant Pharma. A pin bar. Pin bar strategy. Weekly, daily. Daily it is showing good. Yeah, if you could trade here like this is one of the possible trading setup. Okay, we'll observe this. I am not gonna say this is wow, but we'll observe this. Swaraj Engineering Limited. Nice setup, I think. We are going to take a risk here or it's kind of a double bottom. I told you to know. It's getting the support of 20 moving average. Only thing is that price is 2000 rupees current price, but that is okay. Monarch, let's see. Wow, single sided. Shraddha Corp. Shraddha Corp is making a double bottom at the below. Unlikely to move if it is crosses the immediate. Suppose 440, it is gonna cross till reach till 550. Sale. Let's see today's closer. I was expecting a quick move, but that didn't happen. But that's okay. So yeah, as you see here, now the next possible is that 93 around. So this is also a good one. If you can and want to trade on hourly basis, you can look for some consolidation. Look for some consolidation breakout or some trend line breakout. These are the only two strategies you can do on hourly chart. So that is nice. You can trade on hourly basis also in that case. This is a uptrend. So until and unless it is continuing uptrend, we'll have to catch the patterns that it creates around this trend line. Either it will create a trend line break or it will create a dark box pattern. So we'll have to observe and then go in. Bahab chemical. Doing good. Not fully convinced. Lawrence came. Wow. This is a nice pattern. So who are interested and they can afford to buy the 2000 stock. Okay. They can think about this. This is really a good setup. Mhm. This went, so there is no higher high daily. It was going through the higher high, higher lows. And weekly, is it previous? Yeah, that's kind of, kind of. This could be very good. Um, let's move ahead. Bajaj Fins. Okay, not a great pattern. Impal. Okay. Actually. Nice one. Go for this. This is just 5 to 006,000 is very much possible. Yeah, if you are considering to buy a stock which current price is 5,000, you can consider about this protected and gamble health credit access. Already at a higher position, stop loss is risky. So we'll wait. Access Bank, Nako, power to let's see. But it closed up higher and it's at highest high, so we'll keep an eye on how it goes. Print and SPI like wow, going super. Last one SPI like slowly, steadily, it is going picking up the momentum. So let's see. If it is break this level, very likely that it will reach to 1500 or so. Okay, so these are a couple of stocks we have identified based on the bullish engulfing pattern that we discussed, right? I hope you must have liked this. If you have any questions, you can paste me. So basically, we will revisit this and based on the availability of these stocks, we'll enter. Okay. Based on our plan of risk to reward ratio, we will enter. Will not enter just because it looks to be positive and all that. It has to fit in into our rules. Thanks for watching. Have a great, wonderful day.